The Green Heart of Anatolia, Yozgat Adventures. Elif and Emre zipped up their jackets. "Ready for Yozgat?" asked their grandmother. Yozgat, nestled in the heart of central Anatolia, was known for its wide-open skies and surprising history. They had arrived eager to explore. Their first stop was a landmark that watched over the city, the Yozgat Clock Tower, or Saat Kulesi. "It was built over 100 years ago," Emre declared. Looking up, the tower stood tall and proud, a meeting point for everyone. Next, they drove high above the town to see the famous Kamlik National Park. "Look, Elif, the first national park in all of Turkey," Emre shouted, pointing at the vast green forest. "This park is a cool forested oasis in the hot Anatolian steppe." They spent the afternoon walking through the crisp mountain air. Elif loved the scent of pine needles. "Did you know that Yozgat has been called the Land of the Faithful because of its history and ancient settlements?" she asked Emre. The next day was dedicated to history. They visited the magnificent Kapanoglu Mosque. Its detailed stonework and beautiful architecture spoke of centuries past. It is one of the largest and oldest mosques in the area. Emre whispered, "I feel like I'm walking through a museum." Yozgat also has ancient secrets, like the mysterious Kirkenes ruins, an Iron Age city, which they explored later that afternoon. After a long morning of history, it was time for the best part, food. They sat down for a famous Yozgat specialty, testi kebabi. This delicious meat and vegetable dish is slow-cooked inside a sealed clay pot. The waiter carefully cracked the top of the clay pot open, letting the savory steam pour out. Emre's eyes went wide. "That smells amazing." The food tasted like history and warmth combined. Yozgat may not be as famous as some big Turkish cities, but Elif knew it held treasures, peaceful nature, rich architecture, and a central place in the Anatolian story. It was a perfect blend of history and green space. "We saw so much," said Elif. "We should definitely come back." Emre nodded, already planning their next adventure in the ancient green heart of Yozgat.